Hello, my name is Brian Daniel from DE1B. My matrix number is 07DE22F2036. Today, I would like to explain about the oscilloscope. Oscilloscope is a vertical electronic instrument used to visualize and analyze electrical signals. An oscilloscope is to graphically display voltage or current signal as a function of time. It provides a visual representation of how a signal changes over time, allowing users to observe and analyze the characteristics including amplitude, frequency, phase, and waveform shape. This is the example to calibrate the oscilloscope. The first step is examine the controls. Step 2, turn on the scope. Step 3, set the volt per division control to 1. Step 4, set the time per division control to 1 ms. Step 5, set the trigger switch to auto. Step 6, connect a probe to the input connector. Step 7, touch the end of the probe to the scope calibration terminal. And the final step is do the necessary adjustment. This is the step to display the waveforms. First, ensure the oscilloscope is properly connected to a power source and turn it on. Secondly, connect the signal source you want to measure to the input of the oscilloscope. Third, adjust the vertical and horizontal setting on the oscilloscope. And next, select the trigger mode based on the type of waveform you want to observe and adjust the trigger level. Once all the settings are adjusted, you should see the waveform display. Fine-tune the waveform display for better visibility and clarity. Then next, I would like to explain about the function generator. A function generator is an electronic device or instrument that is used to generate various types of electrical waveforms. Function generator can produce different types of waveforms such as sine wave, square wave, triangular wave, sawtooth wave, and pulse waves. These waveforms can have different frequencies, amplitude, and duty cycle. A waveform refers to the shape and pattern of a signal that varies over time. It is a graphical representation of a signal and shows how the signal changes in amplitude, vertical axis, over a specific period of time, horizontal axis. The shape of a waveform provides information about the characteristics of the signal, such as frequency, amplitude, phase, and duration.